Hello, welcome to Sandlot Cards. We're back here again doing some more Panini Prestige 2009 and 10 blaster box breaks. I've done a couple. I'm going to post as many videos that turn out okay. We bought 4 of these at a good price, so we're going to just break them open, see what we get inside of them. Hopefully find something we like. Again, you can go to our website online. Every card we find in these boxes we will put online. You don't have to send us a want list or anything. You can just purchase it right there, put it in your shopping cart. And a lot of sites don't handle basketball. We're going to see if we can do it for you. So let's see what we get here. Base, base, base. Jermaine Taylor rookie. First box we got an autograph. Second box we didn't get a hit. Maybe we'll find something good in this box. Base, base. Rookie Jody Meeks. Make these videos nice and short. Let us know how you like them. You know, anything you're looking for, send us an email online. John Flynn rookie. Each one of these packs has 1 rookie, possibly 2, depending on the type of insert they put in the pack. Base, base, base. Blake Griffin. It's one of the best rookies in this year's set. Blake Griffin. It's his college uniform, Oklahoma. There's 8 packs in these boxes. Base set. Tyler Hansbrough. That's the rookie there. Bill Russell, they do the retired players. Bill Russell, another one, Michael Cooper. Here's an insert. Taj Gibson, draft card. Darren Collison, rookie. Steven Jackson, Golden State. 2 more packs to go. Take a break and then we'll do the last box opening. Let's see how this one goes. Dwight Howard, Corey Meggett. Here's a Robert Parrish, another retired player. Wayne Ellington, rookie. And the last pack here. Greg Oden. Sam Young, rookie. Paul Gasol and Kevin Garnett base. So that's it. Quick video. Really, this is just to let you know that you go to our website. You know, you should find basketball, hockey, football, and baseball cards. We deal with the commons. We help the set builders, but we also put the star cards on our site. So stop by, see if you like it. www.sandlotcards. Thanks.